Let's start with a scenario. Imagine you're on a date. Your crush asks, "What do you do?" And you respond, "I doing a job." Excuse me? Doing क्या? जॉब का इंटरव्यू अभी चल रहा है क्या? ये गलती बहुत कॉमन है. But don't worry, I'm here to save the day. आज हम बात करेंगे सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस की, द बैकबोन ऑफ इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन. इस टेंस का गेम समझ लो and you'll nail your introductions, daily talks and even impress your boss. तो रेडी हो? क्योंकि अब इंग्लिश का असली मैजिक स्टार्ट होता है. Point 1. What is the simple present tense? Okay, so let's keep it simple. The simple present tense is used for actions that are regular, true or habitual. In short, वो काम जो आप रेगुलरली करते हो या जो हमेशा होता है. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. The sun rises in the east. She loves coffee. These sentences are basic, but they tell powerful stories about what happens every day or facts of life. अब एक सवाल. What's the one thing you do every day? Check Instagram? अरे बोलो सच बात करो. Now that you understand the essence of simple present, let's figure out how to use it. क्योंकि बिना फॉर्मूला के तो ये भी एक unsolved Rubik's cube लगता है. Point 2. The formula for simple present. The formula is super simple. Subject plus base verb V1 for general subjects like I, we, you, they. Subject plus base verb plus SS for third person singular subjects like he, she, it. For example, I eat breakfast. No changes for I. She eats breakfast. Add s because it's she. अब सोचो, अगर आप बोलते हो he eat breakfast, तो breakfast भी बोलेगा. भाई मुझे तो खाया नहीं जा रहा. तो अब फॉर्मूला समझ लिया. बट ये एस का फंडा थोड़ा ट्रिकी है. चलो इसको एक शॉर्टकट से क्लियर करते हैं. Point 3. The trick for adding SS. Adding S or S depends on the ending sound of the verb. For most verbs, just add S. For example, she plays. If the verb ends in CH, sh, S, X or O, add S. For example, he watches, she goes. If the verb ends in a consonant plus Y, change the Y to is. For example, he tries. But guys, don't overthink this. क्योंकि अगर हर verb में S ऐड करोगे, तो इंग्लिश की ग्रामर और आप दोनों रो पड़ेंगे. ट्रांजिशन, रूल्स हो गए. बट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का असली उसे तो लाइफ में होता है. Let's see how to use it in real conversations. Point 4. Using simple present for habits. Simple present is perfect for describing habits and routines. For example, I drink chai every morning. He watches cricket every Sunday. They play football after school. These sentences tell your story, what makes you unique. Quick challenge, fill in the blank. I chai daily. What's your answer? Comment करो अभी. Habits clear हो गए. But let's take it one step further. How about using simple present to describe facts and truths? Point 5. Using simple present for facts and universal truths. Simple present is also your best friend for sharing facts. For example, the Earth orbits the Sun. Water boils at 100 degrees. He speaks 5 languages. Whether it's science, logic, or life truths, this tense helps you sound smart. But don't go overboard. Don't say, I am the smartest person in the world. हाँ, confidence is good, but facts should also be real. अब habits और truths तो समझ गए, लेकिन जिंदगी में काम तो होता ही रहता है. Let's tackle action sentences next. Point 6. Action sentences in simple present. For regular actions, simple present fits perfectly. For example, I walk to work. She writes emails. They study hard. These sentences talk about daily tasks जो आप regularly करते हो. And if you're thinking, I do everything regularly, तो please अपने laundry का pile check करो. कुछ tasks हो सकते हैं pending हो. But what happens when we want to ask questions or talk in negatives? चलो उसका solution भी देखते हैं. Point 7. Questions and negatives in simple present. For questions, use do does plus subject plus base verb. Examples. Do you like pizza? Does he play cricket? For negatives, add do not or does not. I do not like cold weather. She does not drink coffee. एक tip, अगर आप negative हो गए conversation में, तो make sure it's grammatically correct. बोलना mat, he not eat. That's like skipping the biryani masala. Negatives और questions clear है. But अब एक और मजेदार चीज देखते हैं, how to use simple present for storytelling. Point 8. Simple present in storytelling. When narrating stories, simple present creates drama. For example, the hero enters the room. He looks around. Suddenly, he hears a sound. You see, this tense makes your storytelling feel alive. But tell me, what's your story? Comment your routine below in simple present, and I'll feature the best ones. And finally, let's wrap up with some tips to master simple present tense confidently. Point 9. Tips to master simple present tense. Here are 3 tips to boost your confidence. Practice daily conversations जो भी बोलते हो. Simple present में सोचो. Record yourself and listen back. Trust me, it works wonders. Read stories or articles in simple present. This improves grammar subconsciously. But hold on. What if you need to talk about something that started in the past and continues today? That's where the present perfect tense comes in. तो बस simple present tense का पूरा ज्ञान आपके पास है. Now it's time to level up. Want to learn about the tense that connects your past to your present? Check out my video on the present perfect tense. Click on the end screen and let's continue this journey together. और हाँ, like, comment and subscribe जरूर करना, क्योंकि ये journey तो बस शुरू हुई है. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shining and keep learning.